Hi guys, it is Corneille Steyman from 60secondsbinaryoptions.com. I trade binary options for a living and I only trade high probability setups. Today I'm going to share with you guys one of my strategies. It's a very high probability trade. It has a very high win ratio. I call it Sniper. Now first of all, let's look at the setup of Sniper. This is a 1 hour chart. Every bar is 1 hour. For the setup for Sniper, I want to see a swing high on the top or a swing low on the bottom. Now basically, if what we see here, we look at this, this bar went all the way up as a bull bar and then it retraced and it closed there, leaving a long wick behind. And this is also a bear bar, went up all the way, come down, closed there, leaving a tail behind. Now basically, this is what I want for the Sniper setup. So basically what I do, on the top of this pins, I put in a yellow line there. Because when this bar open and go that way, there are a very good chance we're going to get a nice setup for Sniper. So all the other charts, you guys only going to see the 1 minute now, because it takes a lot of time to show you the 1 hour as well. But you will see there are yellow lines, and that yellow lines you must know, on a 1 hour it is at the swing high, and at the bottom it is at the swing low. So let's start and going to the first one. This chart. Okay, basically guys, you remember that yellow lines? This is on a 1 hour. Alright, basically a Sniper setup is very simple. I'm looking on the top for a bull bar going all the way up, and then I want it to retrace back. The size of the body comparing to the wick must be anything between 65 and 80%. Now if you look at the size of this body comparing to the wick, it's about 80%. So that's a perfect, it's in that range what I want Sniper. Now Sniper setup I only took when the price came to this area. So it must touch this area or break it. That is the rule. So if that happened with confidence as the next bar open, I take a 60-second put and what an easy win. Now let's go to the others. Again, this is a 1 minute. There is that yellow line, that 1 hour swing high. So I'm just waiting for it. And then the price starts go up, and look what happened. The rule is, it must touch that area. It must touch it or pass it. That's only 2 feet. And then the price must retrace. As it retraces, I compare the size of the body to the wick. The size of the body must be anything between 65 and 80%. And if you can see here, it's 100% Sniper. So what I do is the next bar open, I take a 60-second put and what an easy win. Let's go to the next one. All these trades I show you guys happen in 1 day. In like 8 hours. There was plenty of them. I can't show them all, but let's see how many I can show. Again, here's a price here, and suddenly this price go through this yellow line and go all the way up. And as I close, I ask just one question. Comparing the size of a body to the wick, is it between 65 and 80%? In this case, I say yes. So what I do is the next bar open, I take a 60-second put and what an easy win. Only the first attempt I take. So if this bar went down again and do the same, Sniper is for the one shot. Only one bullet. That's all you need here. Alright. Look at this again. Price is coming down. And look at that yellow line. And now look at this bar. Before I do that, listen guys, the rule is it must touch that line or pass it. You see this bar? It looks like a Sniper, a perfect Sniper, but it didn't touch it. So I don't take it. Very important. If this bar was like here, touch it or pass it, it's a Sniper. So very important, only on this impact zone. Look at the size of a body compared to the wick. That's 80%. What I do, next bar, Sniper. 60 seconds put and what an easy win. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, there's a price. Going up, look at the Snipers here, it's all over the place. The price is coming down, and then look at this bar. It went all the way, hit the impact area, close. One question, compare the size of a body with a wick. Is it between 65 and 80%? Yes. Next bar open, 60-second call, easy win. Then the price went up all the way, coming down, and look here, this price breakthrough. Remember, it must touch or breakthrough. Only the second bar, the first bar. So it's only this bar. So I compare the size of a body to the week. The question is it the body of the size of a body compared to the week? Is the body 65 to 80%? The answer is yes. 60-second call there. Now, very important. Let's assume this bar was not a sniper, and the bar after that is a sniper. It's too late. It's only the bar breaking this impact zone, or if the bar touches the impact zone. Only those two places, because we're looking for a very high win ratio. If you start looking at bars like 2 bars or 3 bars after that, then it's going to be some you win, some you lose. And there's no point losing on a 60-second trade. So rather don't take the risk and see if you can't only take the high probability, because it's all about winning. If you start losing, you're not making money. Let's go to the next one. Alright guys, look here. Here's a price and then it starts coming down. Now look at this beautiful one. It touched this impact zone. One question. Compare the size of a body to the week. Is the size of a body between 65 and 80%? And I will say yes. So what I do as the next bar open, I take a 60-second call, and what an easy win. If we go to the next one. Again, price is there and then it starts coming down. It hit this impact zone. And then one question. Compare the size of a body to the week. Is the size of a body between 65 and 80%? I say yes. So what I do is the next bar open, I take a 60-minute call, and what an easy win. This is what I was talking about. Let me show you guys. This price came down. It's not a sniper. This one breakthrough is not a sniper. Guys, now it's finished. Please don't tell me but there's a sniper there. Please, because it's only this bar. If you're going to trade this thing and say, yeah, Corné, but it's a sniper, it's not in the impact zone. It's too late. So you will find some will win and some will lose. So don't start these things, please guys. It must hit the impact zone, that one, and the other one which break through, and that same bar is a sniper. So guys, if you really like to learn more and you're interested to become a member, I trade about for 10 hours live. If you're a member, you can go to meeting and you will see my charts live, and I talk the whole day. As these patterns happen, I alert the group, I tell them what I'm seeing, and most of them, as I say, I enter, most of them I take the trade with me, and they love it. You can see the comments they write under my YouTube. So if you like to become a member, send me email at info@60secondsbinaryoptions.com, and I can give you all the information. Guys, enjoy it. It is very nice to make money in 60 seconds.